To begin, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Then tap on the three dots from the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then go to Privacy. Swipe up to go down. And find Fingerprint Lock. Tap on it. Now turn on Unlock with Fingerprint by tapping the slider on the right. Confirm your fingerprint by touching the sensor with one of the fingers you have registered with the phone. Now choose how long before WhatsApp requires a fingerprint scan to re-enter the app after you close it. You can choose immediately, after 1 minute, or after 30 minutes. By default you will be able to preview the sender and message when you get a notification from WhatsApp. If you don't want this, you can tap the slider next to Show Content and Notifications to turn it off. Now exit from the app. And then reopen the app. Place your finger in the fingerprint sensor. And you will see, the app has been opened. So in this way, you can use Fingerprint Lock on WhatsApp.